Long ago, in a realm where magic and mystery were entwined with everyday life, there was a mythical creature known as the legendary dragon. Unlike the fierce and terrifying dragons of tales, this dragon was revered and cherished by those who lived in the Whispering Woods. The dragon's name was Zephyra, an enormous creature with crystalline scales that reflected the colors of twilight. Gentle and wise, Zephyra had been the guardian of the mystical forest for centuries. Her presence was believed to bring prosperity and harmony to the land. One day, a drought plagued the kingdom. The rivers dried up, the crops withered, and despair settled over the people like a heavy fog. The villagers lamented their misfortune, and rumors began to spread that Zephyra's magic was fading. Elys, a determined young girl with fiery red hair and an unyielding spirit, lived near the edge of the forest. Unlike her terrified neighbors, Elys was determined to find out what was causing the ill fortune of her beloved homeland. Her grandmother had always told tales of Zephyra's compassion, and Elys believed that the dragon's heart had not turned cold. With nothing but her courage and a map drawn from memories of old tales, Elys embarked on a journey to find Zephyra. She ventured deep into the heart of the Whispering Woods, through twisted paths and dark groves, guided by the sound of the dragon's gentle breathing that was said to echo through the trees. After days of traveling, Elys finally reached Zephyra's lair amidst an ancient grove where the trees touched the sky. There she found the dragon, not weakened but bound by mysterious chains made of shadows. It was not Zephyra's magic that had waned, but a dark spell cast by a jealous sorcerer who wished to drain the forest of its life force. With determination, Elys set out to break the enchantment. She sought the help of old magic, drawing upon every story and spell she had ever learned from her grandmother. Her bravery and purity of heart began to unravel the dark sorcery. Freed from the chains, Zephyra's power flooded back into the forest. Rain clouds gathered, nourishing the earth, and the Whispering Woods began to sing once more. The kingdom blossomed into vibrant life, and the people rejoiced, forever grateful to the dragon and the brave girl who saved them. From that day forth, Elys was known as the emissary of the dragon, a title carrying great honor. And so, the bond between humans and the legendary dragon grew even stronger, a timeless story of courage, friendship, and the enduring spirit of hope.